So the new investor group's really committed to investing in the mountain, right? And the most important thing in the mountain really is snowmaking and then lifts. Those are the two big, kind of the lifeblood of the resort. So, you know, we're going to be announcing new investments in the future, but we wanted to start with snowmaking because it's just so critical to our business and something people can see every day. So this investment is the largest snowmaking investment we've made since we worked on Bear Mountain in the 70s. It's really exciting. We're adding 1,000 new tower, low energy HKD guns, which is a huge investment for the resort and going to really help us get open earlier and be able to move much quicker, especially early season. As we transition to new investors, it was really great to have Powder and this new team work together and buy these guns even before the purchase happens. So that was really exciting, allowed us to get about 500 tower guns put in this summer that we can use this winter. So that's really a great partnership between Powder and the new entity.
Yeah, snowmaking is important everywhere. In the East Coast, we live and die by the gun, right? We get natural snow. Natural snow is not as durable as man-made snow, and we definitely don't get the snow that they get out west. We have to have snowmaking, and we open all the snowmaking trails with snowmaking. Even if you get 2 feet of snow, that trail may open, but after a groom or two and a bunch of skiing, it probably has to close. So, of course, because of our snowmaking, we're able to pull off World Cup, Thanksgiving weekend, which is a feat in itself, but on the other end of that, we have the longest season in the East, and of course that's from snowmaking. So this project's going to allow us to do that hopefully quicker, but definitely more efficient. We could turn off one of our old guns, and for the same air, we could run 8 of these new guns. So that one old gun at 20 degrees would be doing about 20 gallons a minute, and those 8 guns combined would be doing close to 100. So that's where the efficiency is really gained. We should be able to utilize all of our water almost always, which will help us expand quicker. That march, towards Northbrook and towards Bear, I think we're gonna see expedited, and whereas in the past we may have opened a trail or two, we should be able to open a couple at a time, or really fill out pods of the mountain at once instead of trail or 2 at a time.
Right, we've always been known for recovering really well after tough weather events. I think that's one thing people always talk about Killington for. This is gonna allow it much better, because if you think about it, we don't need to send a team to every trail to touch a gun to turn it back on. We can turn the system on very quickly, and we can actually make snow in many different parts of the mountain with this new system as opposed to the past. So it's going to make us more efficient and really be able to put out a better product.
A lot of our efforts in the past were making sure we had equipment where we needed it, when we needed it. Now these guns are out there ready to be used, and the crew can focus on the quality, where that may have taken a back seat in the past. Unfortunately, just nature of the beast that is Killington, we had to pay attention to making sure the equipment was in the right spot. So now the crew can focus on quality.
At Killington, we're known for the longest season in the East, opening early for World Cup, these events that are really challenging to pull off. And this new investment is going to make sure that we can continue to offer the longest season and the best skiing in the East Coast.